Hello everyone, this is Swathi from Vidya Institute of Technology, where I am pursuing an first year MBA degree. I am here to share about my college experience. Firstly, I would like to share about the college campus. Our college campus has a very good atmosphere with full of greenery and less crowded. We also have libraries where we have a huge collections of books with very good atmosphere. And also we have hostel facilities for both boys and girls where they are very well equipped. In our college, we have specializations like HR, Finance and Marketing and Core Finance, and where dual specializations are also provided in our college. Next, coming to the placement, our college is very good at placement. They provide us placement training from the first year weekly for 2 hours, and which are like aptitude training, questions and logical reasonings were taught. This helps us each and every student to crack the placements. And next, coming to our faculties, like they are very good at teaching, and they have very well experience for many years in both teaching and corporate world. They also provide us each and every opportunity so that we can excel in our life and also in our career. The Svit college also provides us certain skills like communication skills that help us to shape us into emerging personalities. And also we have extracurricular activities like cultural and educational fest, and also the sports activities are also provided in our college. So at last I would like to say I am very glad to be a part of this college. Thank you.